Hi there. Today we will discuss how to get traffic on Gumroad. So I will explain each and single thing about getting traffic on your Gumroad. Okay, so let's start it. First, make sure the product that you are selling is on high demand, because if you use the low demand product, then it will be very hard to get traffic on your Gumroad. Then you upload a picture or even a thumbnail that will be in good quality, so that can attract the buyer to sell your product. So let's upload a product on Gumroad. So click on the option Product, and here, tap on the option New Product. Once you will tap on New Product, the first thing you have to do is you have to write the name of your product. So let me write this, for example. I will write. So I write the name. Now you have to choose the product category. It's a digital product, so that's why I'll choose this. If you scroll down here, you have to select the currency in which you want to get the money. After selecting, simply rate your product and hit enter. Now this one is the second page, and here we can write description. For writing, description for your product. You can get the help of ChatGPT, and also you can write by your own. If you do, it will be more good. So let me write the description. I only write single-line description, but I will recommend you to write as much as you can. No need to do anything. This one is the cover. Upload images or video, and make sure that will be in good quality. Click on the option Upload Image or Video, and upload the image that you have in your product. If I scroll down, this one is the thumbnail. As I said, make sure a thumbnail will be in very good quality and also need to be catchy. If I scroll down more, here I can add multiple things like product info. It's the call to action button. If I click on it, I can change it to this, but I will let it be as it is for customer. Like you can write, you will get a luxurious watch. These are the additional details you can add by yourself. But I will tap on the option Save and Continue. Now, here you have to enter the content that you want to sell. I will recommend you to upload your file from your computer after posting. Click on the option Publish and Continue. Now here is the main thing. How can you get traffic for getting traffic? You can share this product on the social media platforms, and these are free. You don't have to pay for these, but if you will start paying by running ads, then it will be more good. Now let's move to other ways, and for that I will get the help of ChatGPT. Here you can see I write, how can I get traffic for my product? And these are the ways by which I can get traffic. This one is optimize your product, and this one is to promote on social media. As I said, you can promote this product on the social media. These are the social media platforms which are very popular. Facebook is not here, but you can use Facebook because Facebook is also very popular. If we scroll down, we can see used YouTube or TikTok organic traffic. If you have, then you can use your TikTok account you can use for free if you want to promote your product, but if you will run ads, then it will be better. Because with the help of the ads, TikTok will also promote your product by itself. So these are the ways by which you can get traffic for your product on Gumroad. And that's it.